In this tutorial, I'm taking this existing invitation template and turning it into a completely different baby shower design with more of a little wild one is on the way theme. And the goal here isn't to completely reinvent the original design because the template already looks great. We're really just giving it a fresh direction and adding our own touch so it feels unique, customized, and ready for a brand new listing. So right away, I'm going to start with the heading because that's what sets the tone for the whole invitation. Once the wording changes, the design already starts moving in a new direction. And from there, it becomes much easier to make decisions about spacing, balance, and the overall feel. Now I'm going to bring the text into the center just to start exploring a different layout. This helps me get a better sense of the space and lets the design slowly start taking shape. And since this theme has such cute safari elements, I'm going to move the animals down toward the bottom of the design. That way, they can frame the invitation a little more naturally and give the text some breathing room. At this stage, everything doesn't have to be perfect yet. I'm mostly looking at the overall composition and making sure the design feels playful, clear, and not too crowded. Now that there's more open space around the heading, I can come back and refine it a bit more. So I'm adjusting the text size, spacing, and alignment until the most important words stand out clearly. This is where readability really matters, because even with a fun theme, the invitation still needs to feel polished and easy to read. And as everything starts lining up, the whole design feels more cohesive. The animals, the text, and the open space are all working together instead of competing for attention. Finally, we could leave the background as it is, or we can add a soft background color to give the design a warmer, more finished look. If you enjoyed this tutorial and want more ideas on how to turn templates into fresh, professional designs for your shop, make sure to check out the rest of the channel. There are plenty more tutorials like this to help you create polished listings faster and with more confidence.